Right now, just go and pre-warm the sound. We just play some music earlier. You don't know DJ 9Vybz is in the building. And we just go and rock and go in and play some music, you know, till the whole rest of the crew pull up, till the rest of the chat pull up. So we just go on vibes right now. And just play some music, right? But in the chat, if you have specific topics that you want to hit, just drop it in the chat. You know, as we said, we're closing out Black History Month and all these things. So we just go and build a vibes. Because tonight our freestyle vibes, you know, in every last Friday, we didn't call it Freestyle Friday. So we're just closing out the Black History Month and just hold a vibe same way. So just like we say, make we know what go on. And we make you know what go on. And we just go on with it same way, see?
You know, you know my style don't cheap. Man, I flow my style. Yeah. Company the God don't keep. True till the day I die. In the class, move yourself as a junior. Don't ever confuse me, deal them with Puma. Say them a gal is Louis, that's a rumor. Y'all a give me dog, she bad like a tuna. Get a word like diploma. Fresh every day, man, no smell like no tuna. Boy, yeah, violate the Judah. Anyway, me go, me drive like a Uber. We just black traffic. Anyway, me go, me have a. Ooh, yeah, hot traffic. Over 10 million in my front pocket. We just black traffic. Anyway, me go, me have a.
We're in a YouTube chat. Make we know where our YouTube chat say we're going to build a vibe. If you just a pass through over here, so make sure you go YouTube and subscribe, right? The link is in the bio. So if you don't watch the show right now, you can go back and watch it later, right? Funny from feet. What's your name? Oh God.
Tell them some richer than last year. Fresh Louis V, fresh Nike gear. Y'all a say me skin pretty than a bike flare. Some of me dogs they gone them for the right ear. Because my dog got my frying to 9 years. Some boy I said them don't like me like high gear. Them not see man a dance all pioneer. Tell them how we have the vibes like cartel. We have the place locked. I play them guineas and tequila the bar shelf. Pray God we play that. Who see them a talk but me don't hear that. Me a free couple years. G-Wagon G. Come for the place one of me here. Black tight pussy gal inna me house. Watch out. All them a talk me a make the money. Be a gal alright me go day. Hold it up on from my bank book away. If you find out then you will be amazed. Yeah, give me them chip chop. And the Dutch road man now left the jeep black. And my girlfriend asking out on the TikTok. It was me and a Harvey and yeah, me unruly, cool and deadly, you see. Man love murder, envy and jealousy. Say what? Sing it melody, boy. G-Wagon Jeep. Like pussy girl on the front seat. Give them help on the earth like my deep. Pussy them girls so we fun sweet. Boy, steady and Cartier. Tell them some richer than last year. Fresh Louis V, fresh Nike gear. Girl I say me skin pretty than a bike flare. So mommy, me a big bumper girl I walk out. Car them a pull up on the bike, roll out, and the thugs them they all bow. And the vibes are nice. Yeah, we a smoke some cheese and they are well high. Watch out, me just a go on with a vibes and a party. You see it and the girl them a walk on the beat. Thugs them a bleach and we not sleep no teeth. I soak me your fuck and we not fall asleep. And you know it there. After a cup of whiskey.
Yeah, them tune the people.
Yeah.
Over here with you, over here.
Late night cup of whiskey. She have a man but she want risky. Tell me say she want taste me like pastry. No her boyfriend engaged me. But I'm different from everything. So she want a bigger thing. Stay like a Bobby pin. She a fuck she a move like she a general. No she a fi take a Panadol and Benny Jill. Fuck and dance cheap on the beach. They back a sneaky inch. But she call me, you know man a reach. Her boyfriend a watch it thing like a leash. When me a come me sound like pastor a preach. Kilo come, I'm getting money. Biggie money, so what's funny? Who be risky? Body whiskey. Get tipsy, but all the bar risky. Kilo come, I'm getting money. Biggie money, so what's funny? Who be risky? Body whiskey. Get tipsy, but all the bar risky.
over on the YouTube and you're just joining the live, just make we know you're present. And if you just now found the page and subscribe, let us know where you get the link from, right?
Risky, boy tipsy, the boy I call the phone but he can't me club. Tell him say, him time done, even a kangaroo can run the jungle till the fucking lion. Me club, kill up dog, I'm getting mad, biggie mad. So what's the me club?
Ali, what?
Get tipsy, but I go me club.
Every time we just a start, closing out Black History Month and we're there all our vibes, so Ali, nice to see you today and you have nothing you want, we'll help you figure out our start, so just talk to me, you know, we love going to people business, you know.
Sit down on body, she know I'm afraid to. Take your time on the body, me nah ask you. Look on the ground, look on the breasts do. Come out for the ground, me to tell you. Go on the bed, you want me help you. Go on your head, you do it well too. Fuck me so while, I'm for bench you. Now shelf you, yes you are.
Them say them not hear me from there, we can check again. Talk of voice. Check. Yeah, hear me now? How me sound?
Everybody and look, road black. Get them hold tight, I make you hold back. Enough of them mama show, my butt all that. Love it when you
like me say, if you're passing through over on TikTok, the link is in the bio. We got the live stream podcast, we starting soon, Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. We here, we start at 9. And tonight we say we are close up Black History Month. And then we are going with the Soul CMA, right? Pull up a tune if you're Ali. Pull up a tune if you're friend 9. Oh God. Yeah, drop a one for you again, Ali.
Hold me closer tonight.
Hold him.
Pick up your put it to sleep and wake you. In the shop where you are bed to.
Like I said, if you pass it through on TikTok, just jump in the link right now. Click the link, follow the link. Let's go on easy now. Let me sing. Not true. Yes, you are. If you're just not tuning in right now, just make we know say you're there. And make we know what kind of problem you're going to be there to solve it today. But also we're closing out Black History Month, don't forget. Everybody watch it.
No place like your bed.
What you say, Ali? This year tell me, Ali.
But then I said, I'm ready and you ask when me say right now. Unfold all the demons in my soul. Me up on the ground and skin right out. Then you force it out, in on my title. Come on, need some careless sex tonight. Well, write it up and I give me the license. Make you come and free your mind, no lie. You give me the greatest crime. So give it up one time for the love of my life.
Alright.
Rip me down my neck and say for stop the night. Do it everything I like, I must read in my mind. This feel too nice, wonder who you are. Baby, love me, never let you go.
Ladies now finna just tuning in. You don't know how Vibes Friday get this day alongside DJ 9Vybz. Just going with the smooth vibes and going, right? If you just now joining the chat, remember the link is in the bio. Just follow the link and we have all the wicked vibes on the link. You see it? You know, so TikTok now allows certain things, so over YouTube we're going with yourself. Watch ya, ladies.
Slow tempo, the excitement. Love it when you're up down my thighs.
All the thugs on the chat, no girl ever tell this in your ears. Yeah, but get that text with them with words, yeah.
Everything but like I must read in my mind. This feel too nice, wonder who you are.
Not true.
Baby, love me, never let you go.
Over here, so we did tonight. Follow the link.
More than one go, but two bad things.
Ladies are phone time right now, we're not phone time.
Going your black is a big three. Never seen nothing like this yet. Such a pretty brown skin when you see my melody, you better show some respect. They can't contain me, no. So they wanna come change me, no. It's a mental slavery, minimal bravery.
So no, I won't lower my standard. Share it, people, share the life, share the life, share the life. We're there, we're there. We are going with the vibes, so follow the link if you want to see the vibes. We have some events coming up. But we still reach other party, right?
Out of anyone, people all the same. Second of blood flow through women. The strongest survive the human race.
Barbie, thanks for the lights.
Along the way, tell your children black is beautiful. To be alive is a whole lot of privilege. Education is the key to rule the world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl. Tell your children black is beautiful. Now we now go back for no privilege. Knowledge is a rule
Appreciate the light.
world. You don't need to be white to be a pretty girl.
Barbie, how old are you?
Black is a big threat. Never seen nothing like this yet. Such a pretty brown skin. When you see my melanin, you better show some respect. They can't condemn me, no. So they wanna come
What's
judge
up?
me, no. It's a mental slavery, minimal bravery. They not see the fix yet. So no, I won't lower my standards. So watch me fight for what's mine, who I am.
Like I said, people, you just passing through. The link is in the bio. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. This is your boy Gallus J, DJ 9Vybz, Dr. So I just pull up the YouTube link live right now, so just go and tune in. Ready? Ready?
Me split them light up every night. I made so forget to go and fresh up like a kite. Like today we try to get tomorrow right up on the bike. And I was beside the house, my clothes and the designer guy. Pay mama smile and then smile. You talking about final life.
Everybody watching vibes, watching vibes.
Hey, don't make nobody tell you to stay shy. Get a show if you want, we do it, you want to be better. Hold up, one moment, journey long, don't give up. Some of them are
How are you next party here, father? Tomorrow. Tomorrow night. Yo, pass the card punch in the fridge behind the water. Coming out play tonight, you know. You're just passing through people. The link is in the bio. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. We over YouTube go on with yourself, so you don't know. Over there the badness go on.
Spread your wings.
Nothing is impossible, believe. Ready?
I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Alright, Barbie, appreciate you.
I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Respect. Respect. Now you are going.
Listen up, flow like a river. That's why them feel what I'm on a leader. Shut up, them ready for pressing trigger.
Listen up, flow like a river.
Let them back up, we turn them in a river.
Are you turning it on? Are you turning it on? Already, okay. Spread your wings. They are going. You know we are going all the vibes, so we start the show up on YouTube, you know? Well, the link live right now, we just are going over time. But we have a couple more minutes so we go live over there, see? Boop.
Blessing off a flow like a river.
Blessing off a flow like a river.
Blessing off a flow like a river. That's why them feel what I'm on a leader. Shut up, them ready for pressing trigger. Blessing off a flow.
Right, that's the people. The link is in the bio. Link is in the bio. This is Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. See view, yeah, we act it. Every day we act it.
Go get the bread, the place of all, and don't forget it. And we even tell about the wall, and not Jurassic. Like change, shake, back it. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Yes, they have a message for you, get to you, them DJ.
Shut up, them ready for pressing trigger. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Watch a mix your DJ.
See if you won't get tired and adjusting. Who me need some
Look,
and no do you would smile, but I no gun thing. And no fear, man.
You get one of them couplets. Everybody Vibes Friday with the
But we never done it. Been through rough life. Someone life for the band feel comfy. Not tell me no fuck me. I'm uptown me there with a girl from country. Can't tie we down, them can't hold me down. Understand me? The moment can't left. Somebody dies them. Switch up a morning. You get the car, them buy up the fire, them. Get the Bible and no skip none of the Psalms, them, yo. Somebody that say me retarded. Till them see my money, I move quicker than my markets. Girl that say me let them crush up my can't press. Love yourself, get your money and talk less, yeah. Believe in yourself.
Everybody, like we say, we just a cruise on going. Closing out the Black History Month theme. And at the same time, you don't know a Freestyle Friday for week because it's the last Friday of the month. But we're just going with our vibes and going with ourselves, you know, right? True.
One get tired and a just thing. Me need something and a dumpling hunting. Youth farmers and a no gun thing. And no fear my money make me love sing. We are do it for the youth, them a fun thing. Y'all have to send James if we have nothing. Money make you worse thing, but we never done thing. It bring me it and I love it, the funds bring. Why me lose my way, but me don't win, yeah. Run things and use them all run with my blood rich and that them can't run this. Never stay alone, we don't jump ship.
If you're just now checking in the chat on YouTube, just let us know where you from and where you're going to the 990.
What me do? Lift me name that like a king.
Y'all lift up them skirt, what I sing.
Boy, you be get hurt, shut a fling. I know me alone and the world that I sing. Enough money, drug pocket that I sin. Bad man, get a bump.
Boy, should I go for me roll up, you know?
Don't want to see the black a win. Cash a swing, bed never back up a spring. Fuck a pool, by the beach, my mama swim. Middle school, I teach you some of the thing. She fuck man, you know my tone, your father king. Yeah,
that's every black man a king, hold on.
Every black man a king. Every black man a king. Man down, watch out. Money up, man a push me at a gym. Every move I move, you young down, what a flip. Snake style, fake smile, watch a grin. We shoot first, the place why shot a grim. Ground plane, leather seat, crap a rim. Black brain, another brain got a brim. Champagne, got a puke. High green, man a float, what a thing. Them different about down, bag a pin. Man some bag a bling. Show on the show, I have been did a guy.
Make we go up in the juggling.
No fear human being, but my God fearing. So me
alright, like a blame, thanks to the likes them now.
Man, I rate the ladies and I shot baby. A worldwide that crazy.
Like what's the people with there going with a vibe? The YouTube link is in the bio. We're over the live right now, so just go subscribe. Make we see the subscription, them go up right now. Oh, I see the subscription, them go right now. Make we know what one people. If you're just tuning in, this is Vice Friday, each and every Friday. This is your boy Gallus J, Dr. Sour in the building. The YouTube link is in the bio. That's where we at right now. We can't do everything over here. We can only promote here. YouTube give us a lot of freedom, so we over there acting crazy, right? So just go over there right now and subscribe and tune into the link. And let us know where you're from when you drop in. Ready?
Give me the victory at the time. When it did dark, you shine the light. Never forsake me, never left my side. Heavenly Father, give me life.
Bucky dip on vacation.
But the Judas, them can't get me out, hallelujah. No pain or offering, stacking moolah.
Nah, I'm gone.
Often enough to do that. Ready in my corner, I'm no loser. Prepare the team. In front of me. In front of me, and say more life, prosperity, more eyes, got a plan and everything, yeah. They might me thank you for this. Losing battle, them a fight, you will win, oh, yeah. You say your prayer, them a grant every wish me could a look on me and dance if you heal. No question, God, them can't confess the dream, oh, yeah. Oh, my Lord, I'm a shepherd, you know. So me shall want and nothing, you see me, so. So stand up in a green past as I see it. Tell you the rest already.
Yeah, and we are talking about people business tonight, you see. So if you have a problem, tell us and we can solve it. Yes, sir. Vibes Friday, where they are going warm up. Link in the bio, link in the bio, link in the bio.
No bag of waste spines in a one-shot killer. Me know the 45 like man, bug killers for the mouth right, there's a crap. I'm that chica, running at your place, shut up, bang, bang, pillar. The boss in your sleep, them a bomb that filler. Contract killer, pick on up that, you know. Contract, who that farmer bird? Contract killing, man black willing, figure slap shot in him. Watch it, shot a spin him, big like that with him. Turn up your rifle, the fire, night kitchen. One side, now fire box, now kick him. Landslide, yeah we fire shot, one to keep some. Targeting him for it, but now miss him. Gone in the body, you can't miss him. Fresh up it, the berry top on kissing. Next up it, the pussy them not listen. Body start kicking like a car, lick him to the chop off on the belly, then a pussy glance with him, them a gun back. The all wishing, for me dead dog, but a long living. So a long clip, so the boss chilling. When you feel like murder, cash chilling, eh boy. Contract killer, no bag of waste spines in a one-shot killer. Me know the 45 like man, bug killers for the mouth right, there's a crap. I'm that chica, running on your place, shut up, bang, bang, pillar. The boss in your sleep, them a bomb that filler. Contract killer, pick on up that, you know. Contract, what me do? Me no feel good, them me no break it. Pull up on your foot in a minute, right? Pull up them men, glad in it. Them hype, who get them gun? Rans give me glamour. Back with it and I'm down, with it and I'm body.
You say tomorrow night, Uncle Maestro, Uncle Maestro. Uncle Maestro, you say tomorrow night, them a sky low. Me go tell them.
Big live life, go trafficking, back it in.
The 7th annual Pisces of Fear.
Hockey dip.
Watch ya.
From me a juvenile and the money I got. Me got my daughter for the Benz and my son in Hardy. Not for walk in the body.
Yo, plug that 20 Maestro again. Alright again people, tomorrow night 7th annual Pisces of Fear. Maestro, happier strong again, earlier strong. I don't know if it earlier or Billy or what, but happier strong uncle.
7 years straight this shit been going.
Yeah, 7th annual Pisces of Fear tomorrow night at Sky Lounge. But DJ Chromatic, DJ Lala, Massive D, Material. Oh my god. We still get more detail than that, but we just have pass that for now.
And nobody no know, cause me no talk talky. A while, none of my darkness I see me can find the Kyle, me say no boy, no flossy. With the beast was sharpy, pull up and park it. Now for life, dog, show up that shortly. Love of my life, yo, and the money my want. See up, I'm at me can't see on them life, them. Like I'm a earth strong, check my burnt paper, I'm come from a dirt farm. So I'm a carry them a German. The bourbon I sip slow, me a the surgeon. The servant no week to prove the world wrong. A girl for night, me a prove the past right. A last night I fuck off the turban. Love the millions, so me make the first one.
Big fat range, big fat under. Big fat range, big fat under. Fat Benz, we a travel like gunshot. GPS, step on it and compass. Let her seat comfort, girl on the front seat, she just go foreign and come back. YG, the be man a malfunction. Sport mode button press full of option. Bad bush, Royal Crown roll out, them feel where drugs man. AC cool all when the sun warm. When the markets pull up on the pump down. The tongue full to the brim. Girl a bubble for me till me tougher than the rim. With a big fat right bank book couldn't slim. Everywhere we pull up, everybody wanna glimpse, yeah. I life, my life. Big fat fibber with a bright light. You know the infinity, she why not? Under anything, she give me dry eye.
Come tell me. And if you have some problems, bring it to us and we shall solve it, right?
No, sell the old car with a drive by. Cause we gon' make money in fine. Yeah. Come with rich bad people, a different lifestyle. Look how you smile bright up in night time. Look how you just jiggle when you walk in the TV in a chai wine. Name no in a road like White Line, Royal Tan, Coral Springs. Latest style, them a woman things. I said the beam I pick you up, you reach your house for nail. She think of Florida, me live one time, the post on the grill, yo. You don't want that, top, not idiot. Enemy place, you live, me send a taxi, man. Me can be nice, but not for long. Come Real bad people, a different lifestyle. Fully dark if you're good, that's on my bright side. Might smile, might tell us me love you like life. Make love with real bad people, me take up on a wild ride. And me have your on the drive. Yo, danger, one done, and them know that too. Pro box pull up on the whole block show. Yo, back bush, hard cold, girl, puke and over me toe, rice with coconut. Yo, danger, one done, and them know that too. Pro box pull up on the whole block show. Yo, back bush, hard cold, girl, puke and over me toe, rice with coconut juice. Yeah, head a roll and boom, me no shout and miss for your shout, God good. Lift up in my broom with the scope and zoom. Bucking at the crow like that, boy, do. The 4-4, the 4-5, it have views. New twin like them, we make you confused. Me feel nice, I'm crying pan news. Front page pan clean, I'm a seat pan low. Say them I go step. Face off it, twist up on the baby till you vex. Done that, nobody no say them bad again. Gunshot for any man where you fall a friend, yo. Love put money upon them head and if them push up them but me I got up with that myself. Bad man, rifle can't hold in the Benz. Travel with the acid if you want this for the melt, yo. Brawling, real murder and I give warning. Boy, this last night, gone this morning. We no can't start with us.
No time when you move and balance. Me not take off no boy underpants. Done well. Seminar response for you and try it too. Bad man no taste nor. A gal alone get to ride my bike too. Bad man no block stop light. Some boys see something on the gram and go try it too. For private flight. None of me split them no light. No. Gal have it when the candle light. Transfer, man sharp like Gillo from me a teenager. Why? See a boy we molest teenager. Inna the blood clot place me from. And rolling us up on a rape man. No. Some boy you must be batty man. How the fuck them a murder so much man? No raper we no support. Them pussy they no figure face no judging and no court. I mean if them a go inna your church, chop him up fine and dash him all bout. When they lost them the gas them the tire. Jungle justice the machine on fire. Run him down breathless the hatchet go catch him. Pussy love kidnap girl alright kidnap him. Everybody inna the community chop him. Dig out him hide them. Nail, mad him. To the police now grab him. Every girl we walk on a pass just stab him. Yeah, the world today they need to know. Love the youths and let them grow.
Rape a fi dead, no kill him. Rape a fi dead, no kill him.
The world today they need to know. Love the youths and let them go.
Rape a fi dead, no kill him. Rape a fi dead, no kill him.
See them attack, go a partial. Crucify a raper, I'm a handle. Kill you and dash you like Pazir. If you pussy got jail, send him out pan bill. You wanna know what the fuck them a do it for? Where them a kill be a woman pan street for? Me a tell you say me hurt and me sister. Feel a vibe, feel a vibe.
One rifle, one matic in a dog. One rifle, one matic in a dog. Yo. Things get strange as I get bigger. Put a trust in a people, you're dead quicker. Yeah. Me and my dogs, them alone up on the location, so my enemies I get picture. If me run a program, I'm busted. Bet so the whole place call my friend killer. But if me get that pussy at the chance, see him catch me half guard, him bust me head for my bed pillar. So, me nah go unless my gun palm me. No. Me nah know when them I got on palm me. No. Enough of them pussy and rum party. Come round for the whites and they come party. Me say me nah go unless my gun palm me. No. Not TV for mother and my son call me. Two we are tap it from we young par. If you look at pussy, is a pussy dog turn par me. We used to fire one rifle, one matic in a dog. Boy send me off with some catches in a dog. One rifle, one matic in a dog. One matic in a dog. One rifle, one matic in a dog. Boy send me off with some catches in a dog. One rifle, one matic in a dog. One matic in a. Coulda never be a snitch. Coulda never sell me killer for your bitch. Mud. You're dead to me from your switch. Bust a head, fling him in a ditch. We apart from Bulla and Biscuit. Now I be a pink tip in a Z clip. Dog selling brother for your rich bitch. Real top killer turn witness. So, me nah go unless my gun palm me. Me nah know when them I got turn palm me. Enough of them pussy and rum party. Come down to the white and they come party. We are bad from special in a pocket. What I think says I'm arctic to the way of me and knock it. Bust a face up with my ratchet on the coaster as my habit. Me go lay in the traffic. Hey, boy, nobody tell me about your Glock a chip. Another gun bad man, I who the back of it. School days, me used to girl lick up the chopper tip. Missy man, I hold them just like when they grab a kick. Juvenile, bad. One pop in the one strap bag. And a one shot in the one pop. Mad. Son, him a the contract card. Jungle, with a grab and bag. 40 a bus by my drop bag, dad. That can't leave them better contact card. Me don't tell you no a bad man bad. See the boy, yo, one stop cap.
Me don't tell you say you're bad man bad. 4-4 that a one man shot. 100 pan and 100 strong. Boys so kunu madana and I'm a gun them jam. Me love see the crime do some. Put shot up in a belly make me prove some. No felly me so anything we get to do something. See them a group up, with them a prove some.
When I join the bag of lipping, so I make sure every clipping on my tool extensive. Stop by gun in a Jamaica, cause the chopper them I make the gun them too expensive. New shipment land, not through the clip them ramp. That me the next step and shoot up fences. Now a straight headshot, head tap. Your bad man will run through some gruesome trenches. Juvenile head chip, resting in a the Heston clip. And press them in a your best friend lip. The 15 make my chest well fit. That fit me like the best velvet. Half clip off to make a statement. The next half off to make exit. Them say nobody never say the shooter.
You see the blood clot return. One down from the pussy while the Glock firm. Ground them a go down in a something like worm. Me no want people don't learn. Jump out of the vehicle, greet your skin burn. And pussy where you come from, be no concern. Bury you with the community, your damn germs. Face shot, face bend up like the gully name fern. A pretty black casket, every man earn. Clip a carry everything about trader. Clip a carry everything about trader. 6 na your face, that face gone. 2 in your chest, heart failure. Clip a carry everything about trader. Clip a carry everything about trader. 6 na your face, that face gone. 2 in your chest, them never stop. Kill a yang reach and your foot test the blood clot flame and no meat. I go cook and just 3 na your face, 1 street. I go look at so we study badness. Every leaf and the book of face shot, no way shot. Can't see it and up your friend, them a jump and just steal man a put in at them blood clot body, yo, them a jump. We no bust it in a ear, them a disappear. Grass clot a shop out, every man a get cook a while. Blood clot life and we never ask push. Shop out your head, brother, we no chop push. A be a rifle a push out and never from bush car. People carry everything about trader. People carry everything about trader. 6 na your face, that face gone. 2 in your chest, heart failure. People carry everything about trader. People carry everything about trader. 6 na your face, that face gone. What's the reason?
All I want is just a little piece of mind, yeah. All I want is just a piece of mind, yeah.
It's Jay.
Dr. Sour.
It's your boy, Mr. Orlin.
Hey there, thanks for tuning in. 9 Vibes upon the ones and trees. Uncle Pundini, this is our production. And right now, before we get anywhere, let's just get these events out the way real quick, because I always be forgetting.
Is that how we do it? Live vibes?
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah.
That's tough. That's tough.
Alright.
Live vibes.
you understand?
Adjust yourself.
Yeah.
Good.
Fix up. We're there. Hold on there.
So starting off with events, man. We talk about this weekend so far. Tomorrow night, man. Big party tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
7th annual.
Yo, pop up the flyer again. Put that. Me could deal with it. Oh, me have the right to the same way, but me don't want to touch that. You can drop it real quick. All right, deal with it. Me could deal with it properly. Properly, we're going to deal with it properly.
Thank you for enunciating.
We could deal with it properly. Yes, so again, tomorrow night, Uncle Maestro.
Tomorrow.
If y'all don't point the people to which flyer we looking at, it's like 5 flyers on the screen right now.
Point.
What flyer are we talking about?
We talking about Maestro 7th
I'm
annual.
making certain though the people that's watching us know that though.
Oh, you ain't even know this finished talking.
Yeah.
But y'all started going in. I just need.
We did.
There we go. See, thank you. Put my direction to it.
We did.
We
didn't even
lost.
get to finish.
Check the chat. They lost.
All right.
I got y'all.
Well, yeah. So people, tomorrow night, the 7th annual Pisces Affair. Uncle Maestro, every year you know disappoint with your party, but
Yeah, we definitely in the building for that one, right,
Yeah.
man? I will say, Maestro been a supporter of Livevybz.
Yeah, for the facts.
Wasn't he here
Multiple
for
times.
last? No, I'm talking about like before last year's show, the 6th annual. Didn't he come on right before that?
I think so.
I believe so.
I think so. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, he definitely did.
I do remember that. If not the week before, if not the night before was the week before. Because last year was at the mansion.
Yeah.
My picture. The only reason I remember that is because my picture popped up from last year.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's going down, man. You know, Chromatic.
What?
That's Chromatic, ain't it?
So yeah,
Chromatic. I'm sorry, Chromatic.
Chromatic. Watch it. Where you deal with you?
Chromatic.
Yeah. So the thing right, youth. Yeah, live from Jamaica, yo, me tell you them DJ the body in the youth.
And material, man. Material.
Oh my God, yeah.
DJ Lala.
Massive problem.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice one, man.
I feel like Maestro himself, him have a DJ.
Hey, of course. He's not gonna let it go. The night go by.
Uncle Maestro, just take a break, man, and enjoy your party. Do that for your fans, them.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, so that tomorrow night, people Sky Lounge. What's it? We can't see the number. You go Mount Reed. Yeah, but people.
It's 1425 Mount Reed.
Yeah, the people in Rochester know if we find the place, cause that's
1425 Mount Reed.
Yeah, that's the new reggae hall and stuff like that. So yeah, and then after that we got the March 8th. That's next weekend. And that Father Tommy Earth Strong, and we back at Sky Lounge again. And we had DJ Maestro sit there again. Maestro DJing at the next party next week.
Right back to it. Right back to it.
Another one.
Right back to it, yo.
Yeah, so that's...
It's Maestro, it's Rum Boss International.
Yeah, Charismatic and Fire Kid. That's gonna be... Yeah.
That's gonna be a good one. That's gonna be... Now, I mean, not to say tomorrow gonna be a good one, but that one... Uncle Tommy. I'm sorry, on the Fire say Father Tommy.
My uncle.
Yeah, that's Uncle. Yeah, that's Uncle Tommy, yo. Uncle Tommy, yo. That's gonna be a nice one, yo. That's definitely going down, man.
Yeah, so that's next weekend, and after that, we got. No, tomorrow. No, Sunday. Tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. Next. That's after that.
Oh, after Father Tommy.
The Sunday after the next.
Yeah. March 9th is going down, man. Cam's Lover Rock. Come
on,
Lovers Rock. Brunch.
Yeah, that's it.
It's
Livevybz restaurant.
Yeah, it's gonna be at Livevybz, yo. That's the debut of my bartender services, man. My mobile bartender services that day, man. High spirits.
Talk that talk. Tell us about it.
It sound like you available for church services too.
Listen, I'm available for everything, man. I also gonna have the THC infused drinks, mocktails and cocktails, all of that available.
Me figure you that about all them they include.
I mean, it's high spirits for a reason, yo.
Tight shit. But
that's definitely going down, man. I mean, it's not even just about the drinks. Like I said, that's my debut for the bartender thing, but it's also going down because it's an infusion of Jamaican and American foods for the brunch.
Oh,
so like the menu was crazy for it. I'll see. I wish I could pull it up right now, but I had to scroll a lot for that. But the menu for it gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be a lot of like a fusion of Jamaican dishes with American brunch dishes too. So it should be nice, man, just to see the food that come out of that.
Okay.
So what you're saying is it's a Jamaican platter?
Tight shit.
I guess so.
Yeah,
Jamaican platter.
Yeah, I guess so.
I mean, cause waffle and pancake no enough for breakfast itinerary. So. Yeah, me like the mix. And the address is Howard Road, 1583. Yeah, 1583 Howard Road.
1583.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that's Rochester. Rochester people know if you find. That's across from the Walmart and the
post office. Across from the Walmart. Y'all know where to find it.
Right next to Panera in Gates. So y'all know that, yeah. Yo, why all of them food sitting there? Anyway, moving forward. And after that, we got It's a Party. Yay!
And hold on. There's no way I'm going to allow y'all, while I'm sitting on this couch, for y'all to go to March 29th without pausing at March 24th. It's a real G's birthday. All right, y'all can continue.
What we doing for it, though? You said it like we talking about events right now.
I don't care. You ain't going to slide by to get to the 29th of March without mentioning the 24th. That's all I'm saying.
Kenny. Yeah, you on that one by yourself because you know I'm new.
Oh, so what you mean? Anyway, I found the menu too. Actually, I found the menu for the brunch.
All right, run it.
So it's brown sugar jerk salmon.
Yeah.
Coconut curry shrimp.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
Yeah.
garlic butter steak bites,
Yeah.
Rasta pasta,
Yeah.
grits, waffles, and more.
Oh. What's the garlic butter? Garlic butter who?
What the what?
You said gum butter what? Garlic butter, goo butter?
Brown sugar jerk salmon?
No. What come before the steak bite?
Oh, garlic butter.
Garlic butter.
Garlic butter steak bites.
All right, cool. So, all right, that sound. Yeah, me not know about the steak business, but everything else. Yeah, all right, that sound like a good menu for the.
And it's all you can eat brunch.
So hold on. So the ticket does that get? Oh, so the ticket gets you everything.
The ticket gets you all you can eat from 12 to 4, and this
All right, so, cause me that hear about some Me that hear about some people where did Me that hear about some people that is complaining about the ticket prices, but I think they didn't know what
was included with it.
Yeah, they
you
thought it
also
was
get
just
a
one
free
thing.
drink courtesy of High Spirits as well too.
Okay.
So you get a drink and all you can eat?
Yes, indeed.
And admission.
That's a fact.
Plus the vibe.
That's it.
Man, whoever complained about the ticket, you broke. Okay?
I ain't saying
Come hang out.
I ain't about to call
Come
nobody
hang
broke
out. If
here.
you complaining, you broke. I said it. Stock, we don't want you there anyways. We want those that want to have a good time.
Yeah.
Y'all make certain that y'all get y'all tickets. Get it now.
That's a fact. Make sure y'all get it. Next Sunday's going down, man. But you said it's a party. It's a party. After Mr. All-In birthday, March 24th.
Yeah.
But he probably gonna go here.
Yeah, cause it's a party. It's a party. It's a party.
Wait. We are jump the gun. Cause I remember saying have on a foot pan in foot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you gonna be able to. He can't even jump. No guns at all. He can't jump nothing.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, but anyway, people.
Hey,
Yo, my boot coming off soon.
for March 29th, you go. Oh, you heard it first, so y'all better be at It's a Party, cause he might have a boot off for that.
I mean, I know. But after I take off your boot, anything got to go to physical therapy?
I'm at physical therapy now.
All right.
8 week.
I'm gonna stay at your business.
8 week. We in this.
But like, It's a Party, Part 2, March 29, hosted by Javi One California Brew House. You doing Charismatic did Fire Kid did Rumbass International did. So you don't know. Before we get to any further in the show, shout out to our sponsors real quick. One Love Window Cleaning.
Always. I'm gonna let you shout yourself out, man. Anonymous Exotics.
Yo, shout out to All In Podcast Network. You already know what time it is. Another Livevybz.
And just in case y'all forgot, I know y'all see him on the camera in the beginning a couple times, but he's always behind the camera. And he's the reason why Livevybz is presently live type shit. You know what I mean? All In Podcast Network. If you need to know how to start a podcast, get it up and running, or any type of information regarding any type of streaming, he got you. Just link with us and, we'll point you in the right direction. And next sponsor we have big up is D&K Catering.
Yes,
For the
sir.
Carrot Punch. Carrot Punch at top. Your bumbuck. The Carrot Punch body, your fuck. Me I tell you about it. So yeah, and the next, what the next sponsor we are? We forget.
We got One Love. We got DK.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's it. Yeah.
All right, so people.
Shouts out to the baddies too, our sisters, man.
Yo, ain't got no cup,
baddies,
B.
yo.
Oh, you can't drink on your sick foot? No. Come in now, we are
Can I at
getting,
least get a cup of water, though?
We're
You know what I'm
getting-
saying?
Give me a shot of carrot punch, man.
we are get that toast to the weekend,
Appreciate you.
Get the toast to the weekend popping. You try this?
Yeah. There it is.
Okay. You said there it is.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
All right, so get your cups up, people. Everybody in the chat and ready?
Everybody chat.
So like we said, we was here last week and we're here again this week, and for that we thank God. And another toast for Black History Month. Sad to say, we should be living Black History every day, but since that this month, then we're just gonna rock with it until we learn how to live accordingly and do what we gotta do to make this an everyday lifestyle. You know what I mean? Toast to that.
Birthdays this week. That's what else we got to toast to, man. Big shouts out to Maestro birthday day just passed. It was yesterday, actually. Maestro birthday was yesterday.
All right, again, cups up for your Uncle Maestro.
Shouts out to Pet Winter Red. Her birthday
Yeah,
was
last weekend.
Sunday. Yep, I think it was Sunday.
Yeah, shout out to you.
Vanna birthday was just past.
Yeah, Vanna too, yeah,
birthday
Lady
too.
Hips.
Yep.
Happy birthday.
So shouts out to them. Yeah, man.
God damn, that's a big. All right, cool. All right.
All right.
So, how was y'all week?
My week was cool, man. My week was chill, man. What I do this week, man? I didn't get to make it to the brunch or to the crush it all you shit, man. But I heard both of them was nice. I seen pictures and videos from both, so them things was nice, man. Shit, what did I do this week, man? We got some. What was it this week? We got some nice days.
Nice days this week?
No,
it was cold this week. It was cold as fuck this week.
I was gonna say what?
It just. Got,
I mean, it got a little warmer.
It got a little bit warmer.
It's still cold.
It did. This man wearing a whole full suit, armor in the middle, and it was fucking 40-something degrees weather.
But that don't mean no difference to me.
Bro, you was not wearing what he wearing at 40 degrees. Trust me, this man had the full ski setup on, like he was about to go snowboarding. I think it was Wednesday or something. It wasn't even that bad out. It was raining.
But I rather stay alive.
Bro, I'm not hearing none of that, bro.
Okay, all right. Sorry, man.
I'm not hearing none of that. Because you ain't been out like that. You wasn't walking out like that.
I go mind my business. I phone the conversation. I never get in friend business.
But other than that, man, my week was cool, man. I mean, for the most part, work was smooth, man. Shouts out to everybody getting their tax money and everything. Y'all was showing hella love. Yo, listen, to be honest with you, when this time of year, so in my profession, in the hospitality profession and everything, when this time of year roll around, motherfuckers be cheap as hell. Because it be people that come out to eat that don't really go out to eat like that, so they don't know how to tip and leave gratuity and all of that stuff. So they not really, they ordering mad food. They spending hella money, but then they leave you like $5 on a $200 check or something like that. Plus, they people that don't go out to eat like that, so they're not the best of people. Like they just mean and shitty, all of that. We have all come to agreement. I'm gonna not jinx that at all for us at all, yo. But we have come to agreements in my job that this past week, since tax money been flowing, because you know tax money finally flowing for people. Everybody getting their money and everything more so now. They've been so fucking generous, yo. They've been so generous. It's crazy, yo. They've been throwing money at us. I take that all day. Right. So I mean, my week was alright, man. And then shit. Tonight was my first night working. I can't complain.
Okay.
How about yourself?
Me? All right, fucking my week. It was cool.
Cold?
Cool.
A little bit more cold for you?
No, I was, like I said, my job where I do the furniture, we got upgraded to some heat in that bitch. So.
Oh shit! And you got less hair now, so you needed that heat.
Bumble clog. I forgot all about that. So, drop about water.
So, like I said, yes, and because I cut my hair, the heater made working more.
It was right on time.
You know what I mean?
It was right on time.
No, we had it already, but
upgrade.
I was
for those that's just tuning in, y'all missed last week. Yeah, he did say that because he just trying to glance over that, like he ain't just say that. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Just said what? They can see he ain't got no hair, yo.
But you know what I'm saying? When you watching Livevybz, you know what I mean? You getting right, you might be going out or you sitting on your couch. You might not have looked at it yet. So you like, wait, what the what?
Yeah,
so you just vibing. Yo. Or you looked at it in this small and they ain't really noticed it.
If y'all wasn't here last week, he definitely ain't got no hair no more.
Oh man, yeah.
If y'all ain't looking at it, look at him now. He ain't got no hair.
Look. Look at his shoulders. One. Gone.
Yeah, so my week was straight. We did 2 furniture drop-offs after we did a refinish this week, and the customers was fucking with it. Like, we always do a good job, and they say, but normally we get used to it, but sometimes when the customer show that in front of you, and then on top of the detail review they leave.
You think people a little bit more nice right now? Maybe this week people a little bit more nice, man?
Nah.
Well, I thought it was okay, my fault.
No.
Damn.
I mean, it's white people.
Touche. We love white people, by the way. We don't nothing against white people.
Yeah, we're saying they always tip good and, compliment you on your service when you give them any service. So that I could say. So, but when we delivered to them, man, they was like, Like, and that's New World Furniture, and we're the best furniture restoration company upstate. Or I think in New York, upstate New York, probably.
Who made that?
That's G brother Zane.
Who made that decision?
Who made that what decision?
That try the best in upstate New York.
The reviews in Google says it.
Oh, really?
Take that.
What else you want to know about?
Oh, no, I was just curious. I mean, I haven't got any furniture restored recently, so now I know when I'm ready to get my furniture restoration.
Yeah.
Who to call?
Me I tell you about it, man. So me I tell you my week was good, bro. So, and I'm here right now, just cruising and chilling.
You ready to go back to working outside again, yo?
Yeah. I'm definitely am.
I meant to ask you that, yo. I've been meaning to ask you that, yo. Do you be missing, like, being on the side of the buildings and shit?
Yes and no. Like, when it's a nice day, you know, I do sometimes, because when I'm out there on the side of the building, as much as I am terrified of heights and all of that shit, bro.
You say every time you say that shit.
No, I'm really scared of heights. They'll tell you.
It sounds so unrealistic, yo. Yeah. Like you was on the side of a building, but you afraid of heights.
Yeah, okay. Weird, but it's just reality, bro. But when you over there, bro, sometimes it's just very peaceful.
I believe that.
You're just like, once you cozy and you at a part of the building where it's no swinging, no wind hitting you, and you could just like look out and over everything, and you just like, it's a good thinking.
It's like a breath of fresh air.
That's why I used to be hitting y'all so much up in the group chat them times with all my ideas and shit I want to do, because I just think and I just empty out all my thoughts, and you know what I mean. But
that's what's up. So you do be missing it, all right?
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, and it's an outside job. I like working outside. I hate working inside. But so that's it. Yeah, and if I don't work, I get lazy, and once I get lazy, I can't make money.
So I got a pressing question.
Who?
A pressing question.
Go ahead.
How many times you touched or looked at your hair this week?
Every day. Every day. But like I had to take the ponytails off my hand. Like up until last week, when I was about to go in the shower, I did this ready to wrap it up.
Oh, damn. Yo, let me get some of them hair ties you're not using, though, bro.
Let me sell them.
That's crazy.
That's it.
Yo,
man, Trump's economy.
How was your week, man?
Man, it was long.
Wait, you back in school, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we back at it. So it was long, but I had the opportunity earlier this week, well, tonight actually, to be the announcer for a Section 5 playoff game. It was lit.
That's what's up.
We had the gym cracking. My team ain't win, but
that was my next question.
Nah, yeah, so I had to get it out there quick.
Yeah, tell you that, so people.
That's what's up. Was it a blowout or was it?
Nah, it was a tough one. But you know, being an announcer, you gotta be on both sides, and we kept it cranking. You gotta be
non-biased as an announcer, yo. You gotta talk about everybody. The same energy.
And not gonna lie, you give home team. If you're the home announcer, you're gonna give the home.
Yeah, which is why they shouldn't allow that though, too.
But I mean that's
the home announcer.
But you have to have one from each side, you know?
No,
it's one. This is high school.
Yeah, but if you think about even in the pros, how do they do the away team introduction? Number 3, Michael Jordan.
Oh yeah, I mean,
get the name wrong.
So I agree. I agree. I do agree.
But then when the Bulls come on, they gotta like whole star everything go black, lights flashing. Come on.
That's true. That's very true.
All right, man, I'm not going on that shit, but I see what you're saying. So you be doing the extraness for your home team?
Yeah,
and
especially.
You done paid extra for the opposition, or you just
Nah, I don't hate. I don't hate. Like, you know,
Dr.
sometimes
Sour.
it'll be like, so 3-pointer.
Oh,
you know, and as the game goes on, of course, you just
versus home team.
Yeah, it's a 3-pointer for the home team. How you sound it?
Depending on who the player is. So, you know, if it's one.
You gonna call it.
From downtown.
So the away team hit the 3-pointer and you don't even know his name.
Nah, I actually have the roster.
Okay,
so I have the roster there, but so I can or I cannot.
I'll ask none of that. What are you saying for the away team and you ain't know it's they happen real quick and you ain't look at the roster to see their name and everything?
What's the play? You got to tell me what he hit. What he did?
He hit a 3, straight 3.
Another 3-pointer.
And somebody's face had that. And one of your star players' face had that.
Good, yeah, that's good.
Ooh, 3-pointer.
Ooh.
You gotta give him something, right? You know what I mean? You say.
All right.
I respect that. I respect the ooh.
Yeah, then you gotta give him the not too dry, but 3-pointer. Like,
that's funny. That's what's up, though, man. That's what's up.
All right, so we got anything in the news that happened today? Anybody?
Yes. If we gonna talk, what?
No, just like any updates.
What?
Like,
Yes. Camera here. Yes. Okay. Just letting y'all know, y'all better get y'all shit in order. Okay. Shit went fucking on today. If y'all don't know, if anybody watch, who? Okay, we don't know.
I've been at work all day, yo.
The Oval Office was molested today.
Wow.
Yeah, it was molested.
That's intense.
Yeah. I hope we don't get banned. Hope that's a cool word we can use. But so we're gonna keep it now.
Wow. Yo. All right, go ahead. Continue. Let's elaborate, please. We need some context.
The Yukis. I mean, y'all know them Yukis. They press pulled up today.
Okay.
To sign a mineral deal, because that's what the war has been about. Think about it. The war.
What are the Yukis for 200?
The Yukis are next to Vladimir.
Yeah.
We there now. Now we there.
Yeah, we are. Now
I saw the video, but I thought it was an old video from before.
That happened today.
So he came out of hiding.
Who been in hiding? Nobody's been in hiding.
Yuki.
No. That's the country.
Yeah,
Yuki is the country. They president.
Yeah, he was in hiding.
Well, nah, he's been fighting.
Oh, I thought he was hiding.
Nah, he been over here. Okay. But now he pulled up and was about to sign the deal and be like, all right, this is what we've been fighting for. Because they got like dope. Okay, every technology that you have, there's a chip in here that can only be built in Yuki. So you can't allow the other guy to get power of that.
All right, so for the chat, just in case that's going over your head, Yuki is Ukraine.
All right, I'm trying not to get us banned in certain words. Look,
we they on the media.
Yeah, bro, we can't you can't say that. We not. I don't know.
The way that the people that I follow, channels get banned when you use so many words together and then don't get pushed because they don't want us to hate.
We were in the process of naming some countries in Europe.
Yeah, boom, there it is. So we're talking about news today. So he came to the Oval Office, which is y'all know what the Oval Office is. Yeah.
That's where Elon Musk's son took charge of a press conference.
So this time, our president and our vice president,
Elon Musk,
the actual one.
Elon Musk Jr.
Yeah,
Junior.
Tesla.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Junior.
Cybertruck. Go ahead. Continue.
No, not even Cybertruck. Not even Cybertruck. No, for real, not Cybertruck.
Junior.
Talking about the actual.
No, I know what you mean.
Yeah,
but still
VP.
Elon. Yeah, we get it. We get it, but it's still Elon.
Who is the actual
Still
VP?
Elon. So
who is the actual VP?
Damn, I ate the last of these.
JD.
That's crazy, yo.
I don't know these.
I know. I'm just saying, JD.
That's all you need to know. Bro.
That's all you need to know.
Right,
it could be the rapper. It could be.
You said it the first time, son. Elon.
But
bro.
it's Elon Jr.
You said it already.
Elon Jr.
Son. Yeah, it's the same difference.
So he pulled up and was like, you know what? I signed your deal. And then Junior, the VP, popped up like, hey, you're being disrespectful. And then the president was like, yo, you being disrespectful. And they was like, World War III about to pop off. Yo, you better sit down. You better sit down. This is going to be great TV. Yo, real talk. This was actually in the Oval Office.
They had a Mexican standoff in there, yo.
In the Oval Office.
So time he said this is going to be great. Who said this is going to be great TV?
The orange guy.
He said that was his exact words. This is going to be great TV.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, just so I'm clear, your idea is to take over Gaza, rebuild it into Mar-a-Lago, and make sure that the Palestinians who live there can't go back? That is the craziest thing he said since yesterday and until tomorrow.
Hold on, we got y'all. Hold on.
No, he's nice.
Yeah, I know.
Good, we got this.
Yeah, so it's look, we gonna pull it up for y'all, right? But in the Oval Office, y'all see it sounds like a chat that we should be having at Livevybz. But this was literally going on between two countries. So the man that they done rolled up in his house, he basically, y'all ran up in the house with the blicky, and then you got mad at me for saying, yo, I'm not about to let you rob us. And then you called me the bad guy because I said I'm not letting you rob us. That's the Yuki. So they basically had a back and forth. So then the little guy said, you're being disrespectful. You better thank me. Yuki said, when have you ever even pulled up to the spot? He said,
So the VP was like, he never, the Yukis was like, you never been out here before.
He's like, you ain't even been here before. What are you talking about? And our VP said, he had a real live malfunction.
Yeah, I gotta see this.
Nah, he's gonna have and he gonna gather himself, and he gonna ride his horse and keep going. But it's like, yo, you can't have a hiccup in the Oval Office while the media is going, and then our guys say this is gonna be great TV.
Yeah, that's wild to say that right there.
Well, I mean, but that's in our vocabulary, you know, say him do things to get the reaction to keep him relevant.
But for him to say that is insane.
That's insane.
He's a TV guy, you know.
Bro, to say that out loud, like, and you know, this is the thing about our president, yo, that I have to say, yo. This is the thing about the current president of the United States, what I will say.
They made me smoke some weed, man.
The thing that I will say about this man, yo, is that he does not give a fuck what. Like, as soon as you think he gonna surprise you with some shit he say some other shit, and you be like, yo, who the fuck is this dude, son? Like, you be like, yo, what? Like, bro, I'm a grown-ass man who ain't scared of nobody walking this earth, yo. But some of the shit he say, I don't think I'll be able to say to people, yo. I don't think I'll be like, you know, I'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna keep that to myself. But he don't got a limit to where he be like, I'm gonna keep it to myself.
He's no limit.
Exactly.
He's no limit before there was no limit soldiers.
Yo.
I remember him promote the First Amendment strong, you know.
Yeah, bro, freedom of speech is him to the fullest, yo.
He's the face of it.
To the fullest, yo. He says whatever the fuck he want, yo, with no remorse. No, unapologetically.
No, but that's why I'm never mad at him when he says things because he's not saying it maliciously.
Oh yes, I don't know about that. I can't.
It might be malicious, but it really feel that way.
No,
it really feel that way.
No, because if he's being malicious, you know, he throw the obvious jabs like put nicknames or call, you know, try to let him know, you know, the other person or try to be funny. But when he's like talking or telling you what he's gonna do something, I feel like that's just him talking naturally. Like
I honestly think I'm gonna keep it 100. I think he's just an idiot, and because he don't give a fuck, he just says what the fuck he wants to say. Even though we done said like, yo, we're gonna go in there and say this is the logo hand sign for Livevybz, and then he comes and says, ha ha. And y'all like, that's not what the fuck we said.
Putin and then say, hi Vladimir, how are we doing on the deal? It doesn't work that way. I'm not aligned with Putin. I'm not aligned with anybody. I'm aligned with the United States.
His body look like he lying.
The world. I'm aligned with the world. And I want to get this thing over with. You see the hatred he's got for Putin. It's very tough for me to make a deal with that kind of hate. He's got tremendous hatred. And I understand that, but I can tell you the other side isn't exactly in love with, you know, him either. So it's not a question of alignment. I'm in line with the world.
He's pissed.
I want to get the thing set. I'm aligned with Europe.
He sound like Putin,
I want to see if we can get this thing done. You want me to be tough? I can be tougher than any human being you've ever seen. I'd be so tough. But you're never going to get a deal that way. So that's the way it goes.
that's right in front of him.
Yo, the president stared him down and he got scared.
We had a president who stood up at press conferences and talked tough about Vladimir Putin, and then Putin invaded Ukraine and destroyed a significant chunk of the country. The path to peace and the path to prosperity is maybe engaging in diplomacy. We tried the pathway of Joe Biden of thumping our chest and pretending that the president of the United States' words mattered more than the President of the United States' actions. What makes America a good country is America engaging in diplomacy. That's what President Trump is doing.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So he occupied our parts, big parts of Ukraine, part of East and Crimea. So he occupied it on 2014. So during a lot of years, so I'm not speaking about just Biden, but those time was Obama, then President Obama, then President Trump, then President Biden, now President Trump, and God bless, now President Trump will stop him. But during 2014, nobody stopped him. He just occupied and took. He killed people. You know what the contact
2015.
2014.
2014 and 2014.
Yeah. So he
I was not here.
Yeah, but
That's exactly right.
Yes, but during 2014 till 2022, the situation is the same. That people have been dying on the contact line. Nobody stopped him. You know that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversations, my bilateral conversations, and we signed with him, me, like a new president. In 2019, I signed with him. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel. We signed ceasefire. Ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him gas contract. Gas contract. Yes, but after that, he broke the ceasefire. He killed our people, and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come to the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the President for trying to bring it into this conflict.
Have you ever been to Ukraine that you see what problems we have?
I've been to. I've actually watched.
There we go.
Seen the stories, and I know what.
And I watched and seen the stories.
You bring them on a propaganda tour, Mr. President. Do you disagree that you've had problems bringing people into your military? And do you think that it's respectful to come to the Oval Office of the United States of America and
You might make it seem like the Oval Office is a holy place.
Yeah.
Bro, it's holier than this bullshit.
Nah, it's just like it ain't. He basically saying like yo, you ain't got the respect for the Oval Office. But he made a great point. Like, bro, you talking shit. You ain't never been there. Have you ever been there? Have you ever been there? And he was like, yo, I watched.
He watched it on YouTube.
I watched stories. I watch reels. I be watching reels and everything.
I was on TikTok.
Yeah, it be on my TikTok. I be typing in the Ukes and TikTok. That shit be popping up. I be seeing what be going on.
But he said he being disrespectful because he was serving his ass. He's like, you're not about to cook me. You're not about to cook our president on while the media here. You're being disrespectful.
He should have shut up because keep it real. Donald would have stood up for himself, yo.
But you
Donald
see,
can hold himself down, yo.
You saw how the president kind of he chuckled. He said, "Oh, you gonna let me really ask you a question?" Oh, you asshole.
Yo, he was like, yo, when the nigga had named off the tie, he's like in 2014. He's like 2014. Oh, I wasn't there.
Yo, man, go on, run me again.
Let's start from the beginning. Sure. First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now. But you'll feel in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless. You're not having war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
Yeah, he going himself down.
Because you're in no position to dictate that. Remember this. You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel. We're going to feel very good.
Right.
We're going to feel very good and very strong. You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself.
That's an open threat.
That is an open threat.
You're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now.
So what?
You start having cards. Right now, you're
We're not playing cards.
You're gambling with the lives of millions of people.
What?
You're gambling with World War III. You're gambling with World War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful.
Those is P's words.
This country. It's back to you. Far more than a lot of people.
He said we don't respect you?
I do.
Yo. This nigga punked him, yo.
Hold up, this nigga says you're threatening mad people's lives.
Straight up.
Like, we'll come over there and fuck your shit up.
Bro, who is you talking about right now? You talking about World War III. You really want to fucking play with that right now?
But I think it's a little bit deeper, though. I think that, I'm going to keep it 100. I think that Big P got Orange Man hat. So he like, yo, because he was on the phone with him. So that's why he's saying this, because he know Big Bang P would be like, yo, I'm going to fuck the world up if you don't let me get this. So he's warning through P instead of isolating like everybody been doing. It's a move. I don't know how strategic it is because he really not smarter than him.
I don't know, man.
Big P smart, man.
I feel like knowing Trump character and everything, and the way that he moving everything, the way that he talking right now in that situation, the way that he was talking, yes, he was talking tough, and he straight up. Them was straight up threats, bro. Them was all open threats. Like, bro, you talking about World War III. Bro, you talk about people's lives right now, and he didn't even say nothing. That wasn't even a conversation.
That's what I'm about to say.
That wasn't even a conversation. And for him to bring that shit up, yo, that's threats. If you want to put it back to hood senses and everything, yo, if you talking to a nigga and a nigga start bringing up bodies to you, you like, oh, you want some shit. Oh, word! Oh, so we talking bodies now? What you talking about?
Yeah, you talking about cleaning out your car, then he want to threaten you about how many guns you got.
Yeah, like that sound crazy now. So that's a huge flex. That's a huge, that's a wild one, but he definitely was taking a huge flex with that shit, yo. And I may not say he can back it up.
No, but it might be a flex, but this is a good flex because
that's a dangerous threat.
Exactly. But you see how fast that he also gained the respect right back. Like, yo, when he asked, like, yo, you act like you don't respect us, he like, yo, I do respect you. Exactly. Now relax, nigga, little nigga. No, I'm just saying for me, from what I've seen so far, that's how I take it.
No, I agree with you, but at the same time, it was uncalled for.
It was, hell yeah.
It's just
because he was getting his ass handed to him.
Hell yeah, he had to say something, but he had to flex on him. You talking shit, I'll flex on your little ass. Homie, fuck you talking about. Put the weed in the bag, then get monies. Holla at me after that.
Yo, it messy, brother. Regardless.
Yo, I'm just saying, like, that's what I'm taking from that, personally.
But what he probably said, remember, later you'd say, it not going to affect you now, but in the future, you never know.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I feel that the Yuki won that one by saying, yo, we playing the long game. You playing right now. I'm calling your hand. You just trying to get money. I got people's lives to take care of.
And I don't want in no way, shape, or form to ever want anybody to feel like I'm supporting Trump out here like that at all, yo. But I'm a real nigga that recognize real no matter what the case may be. And from what I agree exactly with what y'all saying, that he did pull that card, but in the same sense of a real conversation and real niggas clashing like that, it's you pull that card on me, so I'm a big bang, take little bang. Now I'm gonna pull that card on you. Now I'm gonna have something to say. Like, okay, all right, yeah, okay, you beat me down. Jab. All right, dagger, motherfucker. Fuck you talking about? Like, you really want to threaten World War II? Now you want to play with lives? You want to fight and play? You want to tussle and everything? We can take lives. Stop playing with me. And I think that's exactly where that flex came from with that.
But how is he flexing? He flexing dementia.
But we all...
What you mean?
Because the nigga wasn't even talking about nothing like that.
He wasn't. He right.
So why are you going to jump in to threaten the whole country?
Because he felt like he was losing the fight. Trump is the epitome of
losers.
White trash, yo. That's it, yo. That's it, yo. He's the epitome of it, yo.
Yeah.
That's really what it boils down to, man.
Wow.
I'm going to flex on you because I don't really got it like that anyways, so I'm going to flex on you. Which is also hood shit too, but honestly, that because he won, I can't give him that. But I mean, he's the epitome of it, bro. Like I don't got it, so I'm gonna get this 4x4 big 350 pushing around and my double wide, all of that type of shit. Like he gonna flex. Like it's no need to do all of that, but because you talking shit and you making me look bad, I'm gonna make you look bad. I'm gonna make you look even worse.
So the way this actually ends,
it's the big guy trying to flex on the little guy type of deal.
It is. But the reason, what's the crux of the matter? What brought the Yuki over here?
He's trying to end the shit.
No, he came over. No, he came over here. He actually
saw a cartel had case. So he's like, "Fuck it, let me head out there too, yo."
It must be safe.
It's got to be good.
Nah, Big T said, "Yo, I want your minerals." So he came over here to sign a deal to give the minerals to T. However, the Yuki walked out. They'll try to flip it and say Trump threw him out. No, the Yuki said, "Nah, I'm out. I'm not signing your deal."
Yuki sounds like such a slur. I don't feel like we should say that, yo. I feel like it just sounds bad.
It sounds Japanese, so
it sounds wild, yo. Like, I don't think we should say that. Yeah, like I no disrespect to anybody from the Ukraine. I just want to put that out there, yo. I will say that now. If I did say that a lot of times, I apologize. But I do feel like it. Like the more I hear it, it sounds like a slur.
I feel like
no
we
disrespect.
I think we can say today. Yeah, I think we can say
like
it.
I said, it won't be getting because of me.
Yeah,
I'm calling the Yukis. I'm calling Big T. Y'all gonna catch on, okay?
Yeah, that's wild, bro. Right. I don't know. I feel like we shouldn't say that. I don't know. Hey, teach us all. Teach us all. I mean, hey, we already been kicked off of TikTok before, so
it's like, hey, it won't be the first time the show's been kicked off. Like.
Exactly. What?
All right, then, guys. So.
Your country's in big trouble. No, you're not allowed to talk. Your country.
What you say? Wait.
You're not allowed to talk.
What do we miss?
Oh yeah, I was like, yeah, it gets worse.
Time out. Pull back on that a little bit. Go back on it. Go back. All right.
We're loudly about the war.
He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble.
Go back.
Oh yeah, y'all missed the little piece.
Go back a little bit. Go back. Yeah, boy, this is.
More than a lot of people say they should have.
Have you said thank you once? This entire meeting? No, in this entire meeting, you said thank you. You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States of America and the president who's trying to save your country.
Please, you think that if you will speak very loudly about the war, you
He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble. No, you're not allowed to talk. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning. You're not winning this. You have a damn good chance of coming out okay because of us.
He wanted to stall on his ass.
And we are thankful. I said thanks.
You haven't been
in this
allowed.
cabinet.
You haven't been allowed. We gave you, through this stupid president, $350 billion. We gave you military equipment, and your men are brave, but they had to use our military. If you didn't have our military equipment,
He pushed him.
if you didn't have our military equipment, this war would have been over
turning red.
in 2 weeks.
In 3 days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days.
Maybe less.
In 2 weeks, of course, yeah.
It's going to be a very hard thing to do business like this.
Just say thank you.
I said a lot of times here to American people.
Accept that there are disagreements, and let's go litigate those disagreements rather than trying to fight it out in the American media when you're wrong. We know that you're wrong.
But you see, I think it's good for the American people to see what's going on. I think it's very important. That's why I kept this going so long. You have to be thankful. You don't have the cards. You're buried there. Your people are dying. You're running low on soldiers. Listen, you're running low on soldiers. It would be a damn good thing. And then you tell us, I don't want a ceasefire. I don't want a ceasefire. I want to go, and I wanted this.
That nigga's a child.
Now I tell you, you take it.
He looked at him like, nigga, what?
And your men stop getting killed.
Of course, we want to stop the war.
But you're saying you don't want a
But I
ceasefire.
said to you,
I want a ceasefire.
with guarantees.
Because you get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask our people about ceasefire, what they think.
That wasn't
Doesn't
with
matter for you
me.
what
That wasn't with me. That was with a guy named Biden who was not a smart person. That was with Obama.
It was your president.
Excuse me. That was with Obama who gave you sheets and I gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets. In fact, the statement is Obama gave sheets and Trump gave javelins. You got to be more thankful. Because let me tell you, you don't have the cards. With us, you have the cards. But without us, you don't have any cards.
Yo, he's wild.
This is the America that we really live in.
Right. Listen.
If I was every other country, I would be scared.
Because he's a fucking retard, yo.
He's a fucking retard.
Yeah,
You
I'm sorry. We can't even say that. I forgot. We definitely can't say that.
Oh, man. Yeah, we about to get banned.
Yeah, he does not have it all there.
Wow.
He does not have it all there.
I mean,
dementia is. I don't even know what that is. That's the
I guess everybody's name is Joe Biden now.
Yo, that is the wildest, yo.
Yo, you saw him give him the eyes up like, yo, this man's bugged.
But it's crazy. I feel like that's one of them things where they call that's a setup. That was a setup. Had to be.
I mean, for him to even do it and record it,
yeah,
for that to be aired live, that's it. It seemed like
that's a 45-minute conversation, actually.
Yeah, yo. So listen, it was that situation right there. Trump did that shit and allowed that shit so that he couldn't flex on him, yo. That shit was set up for him to go in on because first off, he on American soil, so what the fuck he really about to do?
Which was the first open threat, like
yeah, like what you really about to do? You on American soil right now, so you're not about to be on no bullshit. You're not about to be on. You gonna hear everything I got to say now. I'm not there.
Like,
you hear?
You're forced to take anything I got.
Everything I got to say. You
even that.
Yeah, right. He definitely pushed him. He definitely pushed that man, yo. But
I've never seen you remember even in the presidential debate they had to separate him now because of how loud they were talking to each other.
Yo,
I had missed that.
No, remember over.
No, I'm talking about the push at first.
Oh, you missed the push?
At first, I had missed it when I first saw it.
That push is crazy, yo. He pushed.
It wasn't no neck push though. Don't say crazy. It was like, yo, chill. I'm talking.
No, bro. His hand should have been on him. He moved a little bit, yo. It was a little guy though. It was a little
Big T 6'4", B.
Yo, because it was a few times when he did he was he touched him with the point and everything, but the push he kind of you could tell that was a.
You ain't got the cars, little nigga.
He might have drink like that, but he definitely did.
He hit him with the you ain't got the cars, little nigga.
He definitely said you ain't got the cars mad times. For you to tell somebody you ain't got the cars mad times is wild.
With us,
yo.
You got the cars. Without us, you ain't got the cars,
shit.
B.
You ain't got the shit.
I'm like, yo, we should make.
Obama gave y'all. He said Obama gave y'all sheets. Trump gave y'all javelins. That's
he picking up TikTok lines and using them in the oval.
I'm thinking, y'all saying every other country should be worried.
Yeah.
But he's trying to do the same. He's trying to bitch Canada the same way in Mexico, ain't
it? I feel like it's different. He is trying to bitch Mexico like that and Canada. That's true.
And I'm just letting y'all know everything about to get mad expensive. I purposely bought a pack of batteries. It was $14. And you know my
Bruh, eggs is I got
I'm trying to make
18 pack of eggs and that shit
is
was.
Every other country scared or every other country gonna be good because
$20
for what?
Eggs, bro. I went to BJ's and got Costco. Matter of fact, I had got some eggs. It wasn't 18. It wasn't 18. 2 packs of them. Yeah, the double pack of them shits. Yeah,
it's still a lot of money.
Shit was $20, bro. $20. $18.99.
That's ridiculous.
But
like I was saying, I forgot. I don't know what we were talking about.
You were saying I forgot too, bro.
Fucking eggs, man.
Chad, what the fuck we was expensive as fuck.
I don't know what you was about to go with.
Eggs is expensive, bro. We gonna be honest. Oh, he said shit about to get expensive, and he was talking about he got
about
some
the
batteries.
Countries. Why they should be scared is what you.
Oh yeah, thank you. So yeah, and remember they already have the little BRICS gang over there that already don't fuck with over here, and now that he's pushing Canada out and same for Mexico. We just setting up ourselves to be sitting. Not we, y'all. Just
he's not pushing them. We pushing them out, but yeah, he's pushing them out, and then he's also making us pay for it, and he's taking away stuff. So this is what's happening. Yeah. He's fucking us over, and getting the money, so that even if y'all come together, y'all don't got the guns, B.
Yo, I might be good because they really pushing that no tax on tip servers.
No, wait, hold up, wait a minute. I actually looked, okay, because I was like, yo, my brother is on this, so I got to make certain I check and make certain we good. I nowhere in there does it actually make a amendment or for a proposal. Nowhere. I
literally was just watching something earlier today that this dude that's a ridiculous Trump supporter was showing me earlier, yo, and it's definitely something that they really pushing through where he was talking about it, and it was one of the secretaries talking about it, where it's going to be they really pushing for the no tax on server tips.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Why are you talking like this?
I don't know, yo. I'm high. I ain't really smoke all day, yo.
Oh, God,
I ain't really smoke. If I'm being honest, I ain't really smoke all day, yo. I was working today, yo.
Bro, I thought I was tweaking. But
nah, that's crazy. I appreciate you letting me know, though. Nah, but they really pushing this no tax on server wages and shit and that thing. So, I mean, like, I gotta find a video for you.
This nigga brain.
I was, yo. My shit was...
I'm trying to process what you
You saw
are.
he was... And then
It's just like, I'm trying to pay attention.
Tax and tips, go ahead.
I'm with that shit, yo. Like, yeah, take the taxes off of that shit.
So
yo.
I understand what he's talking about, right? They do a very good job of explaining what they want to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what he did. He broke down a plan that they want to introduce. However, there's steps to this shit, right? You can say you want to. You can say that you want a what I had asked you for when I be ordering a certain type of steak, right? But then there's actually a process of putting the order in and then paying for that shit and getting it cooked.
That's a fact.
Yeah. Ain't none of those processes actually being done in that proposal. That's what I'm saying. It's a lot of smoke, but it's all mirrors.
I ain't mad at you, bro. I'm just...
All right.
Yo,
but
that's what I'm mad
But
with,
yeah,
yo.
the thing is, though, we got to call them on their bullshit. If you're going to say you're going to do it, you got to actually do it.
I mean, but honestly, what the shit that this motherfucker has done, he said he's going to do. All of the bullshit he said he's going to do.
It's called Project 2025. I told you I was going to do it. And it's full of bullshit.
Exactly. He said he was going to take certain... That was one of the things he said he was going to do. So out of all of the bullshit you said you was going to do that shit for us.
So here's...
Give me that money.
What about, you probably know, what about the whole thing when he said he's basically, like, I think they're dismantling the IRS?
Okay,
or
so he wants to... America has a playbook, has a history that we can actually look at.
Yeah.
This has happened before. In the playbook before, though, nobody had an opportunity to see. So, what they did was they started telling people that immigrants are the problem. Same thing that we did here. Then they came in and said, we're going to start making all of these plans and changes, rob the poor, give it to the rich, and then the rich will pass it back down. And then I'm going to conserve or bring in power. Consolidate, power. So once they do all of that, you become Hitler.
Oh, here we go.
That is the playbook that I just read to you, and that is the current playbook that is being ran on our United States of what we call the Americas.
Yo, some of the amount of names and words we got dropped tonight.
Yeah, it's been some wild ones, yo.
Yeah.
It's been some wild names we dropped in word. Yeah, you right. Yeah, well, hopefully we still on the air after this one, yo.
we better be, because if they take down my shit, and because I use the word and I use it in the politically
I'm only here
correct
for
way,
this week.
and they just over here throwing. Let me stop talking about it for anyway. So moving forward. So like we said, enough of the politics, because this shit, I'm still in awe by how that ordeal went down.
That video was wild.
Yeah.
That shit happened today.
That was today.
That shit is wild, yo. I ain't gonna lie. That shit is wild, yo. That shit is wild.
I feel like the next thing they gonna have is fucking presidential boxing.
I was just thinking that. Like, they might as well just fight. Like, at the end of the day, why would they just fight?
You brought I know Obama was like, wait, how I got brought into that?
Yo, dead ass though. Could you imagine being Obama sitting at home? And then even if you ain't watching because Obama don't fuck with him, could you imagine somebody you chilling, you fishing?
No, Obama always on. Is it Michelle? Look at this. Look at this guy. It's crazy because he always watching Trump.
Yeah,
he always gotta bring my name into some shit. Yo, why you had to bring me into? I ain't had nothing to do with this.
I feel like Obama and his homies be like, I'm gonna make a bet. He's gonna say my name at least 10 times.
Everybody take a shot. Yeah, take a shot every time you say my name.
Facts.
Yo,
but yeah,
bruh.
Talk about Obama. All right, so let's move forward on that positive note. Black history, we closing out. So, since I guess this president is trying to separate us again, yet in another way, by the deportation and all of that shit.
Oh, because he signed a declaration saying that he declared February Black History Month.
Yeah, we talked about that.
I know. I was
He signed it. I thought it was already was.
Yeah, we had a whole episode where we talked about that, bro.
I don't remember
Smoking
that. But anyway.
too much weed then, bro.
Yo, yes, man. So because he took away all of the other months and everything, like the different like it was a Pride Month and different months and everything. He took away all of that.
It was a thing.
Christie shit. Yes.
Oh,
Black History Month was already. It was like 70 or 60.
1972
or 77. It's in between them times. I know that much, but it was already signed by the president that it was.
Lyndon B. Johnson.
Yes, thank you. February was Black History Month. Once Trump took away all of those, now mind you, make sure y'all go watch. We had a whole episode about the.
Remember, we say take away.
Yeah, he re-signed so that once again he can be like, yo, I'm the hero. I made February. He re-signed February's Black History Month.
Basically acting like it had.
I would say Larry was here when we had this conversation. As a matter of fact,
so in a sense, he made it seem like it had an expiration date, and he brought it back.
No,
we can go with that.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess so. That works. That works.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Not cool, but
But
do y'all know why? Did y'all talk about why it was February though? Always like that.
Yeah.
One.
No.
Oh.
Yes, we did.
Why was February?
Oh my God, yo! The Emancipation Proclamation, yo. We talked about this.
Hold on. That ain't why he chose February.
Why is it February?
All right. Simply put, is because it was the birthday month of two influential persons. One being Abraham Lincoln, who helped abolish slavery,
Okay, go ahead.
And the other being ours truly, Frederick Douglass.
But it was also signed in February. It just wasn't put into full effect until Juneteenth.
Where?
Juneteenth?
Yes.
What? Black History?
In Texas.
All right, man. We've once again.
Look, we're closing out. We gotta make sure we drop and get our
y'all
dumps
go make
in.
sure y'all check some of our past episodes around this time, because these are conversations that we have had before.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, shouts out to Larry, man. Hollywood Larry, man. Shouts out to you, man.
I read the script, so I know they had these conversations. I'm just bringing them up.
I want to say you were still here when we was having these conversations too.
Okay, you know.
But whatever, man. Whatever the case may be, yo. What's your Black History closeout, man? What you was thinking?
Okay, true. Huh?
What you thinking for the Black History?
Oh yeah, so basically, we touched kind of every aspect of it, I would say, and the people and what part they play and how we represent. And I noticed there's one distinctive thing that we have a difference in our culture in the Caribbean and America was the party aspect, and in fact, and specifically house parties.
Mm-hmm.
We never had that shit. We couldn't have that shit.
That's crazy, yo.
But coming here, that was a thing for y'all. Where our thing was a shop corner out in the street, you know what I mean, and everything else. Cause
yo, you know what's wild though is that y'all had real live block parties and everything, like on a regular basis. Yeah. We didn't have that shit. That's a special occasion.
Yeah,
like
block parties.
Your block had a block party. That was some special. We used to travel across town to go to block parties or go across the west side to go to block parties. Y'all had them shits all the time.
Yeah, so I feel like that's probably the equivalent block
That's got to be. It's got to be. I've never thought about that.
But you know what? Watching the movies made mostly some of us, I would say for me at least, feel like
the house party movies. Yeah,
just the essence of it. You know, everybody just chilling in some sort of house, drinking, chilling.
Yeah,
and got their girl wherever, just chilling. You know what I mean?
But that's the same thing y'all was doing outside.
No. Well, at the age I was there, I was just either dancing or just chilling and running around.
Yeah, but I mean, like, if you was one of them type of dudes, you'd have probably been. And it's so crazy that you saying that now, because I never thought about it like that. Like, it's the same type of situation. Y'all just outside. When we was doing house parties, we either was sneaking into somebody's house, or somebody's parents wasn't there, or somebody just had some cool ass parents, or it was a number of things, and we had to they do a house party.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. That's the whole probably this aspect behind that was the sneaking or somebody's parents is cool. We had to worry about that because it would be like the corner store having a party.
Wait,
you know?
Show, could you imagine?
Like every Friday,
every
Friday he made jerk chicken and put up a big sound system.
If the Green Store had a party every day, every weekend, there was a party at the Green Store.
No,
there's a Green Store.
No.
On the corner, Arnett and Woodbine.
Oh.
Yeah. And that's a staple in the West Side store.
No, that would be it. Every Friday night they would have jerk chicken and soup out till like 3 in the morning.
But that's the difference between America and Jamaica. Until somebody been shot.
Come down there.
There's been a lot of incidents there. A lot of bad incidents there.
No, but that's what I'm saying. But even that with the
even house parties, it was bad incidents. You're right.
So that's what I'm saying.
Right.
When
you're right.
When I look at
you're
the
right.
culture, damn,
a lot of house parties definitely ended with us jumping out of a window or running out the back door or running somewhere. Running. Well, a lot of how many house parties you been to where you ended where you was running?
Probably all of them.
Running, like you just running somewhere.
Probably all.
You might not even needed to be running sometimes. There's people running, so you're just like, all right, let me get out of here. Yo, it's time to be out.
I feel like my house party was the illest house party ever.
Nah, I've been to a lot of fun house parties though too. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Like a lot of the ones that ended with you were running or somebody shooting. You usually popping. Like you usually probably had you on the wall. You got a bad way. You pop.
That's where I met Javon and West at the house party.
What?
Yeah. I threw a party. These niggas showed up.
That's how you know niggas was outside. Niggas was outside.
And it was literally just me. It was literally like it'd be like 7 guys and like 20, 25 girls.
Where's them days?
And it was in my parents' garage, bro. Boy, this shit was some time. But anyway,
them be the good times, man.
Memories.
A lot of that. So, what's so crazy is that speaking of cool parents, he used to have parties at his house.
Who? I ain't had no parties.
Oh shit.
Alright, whatever, yo. But
I guess you know what that
we used to throw parties and everything too. That's how I know Pablo. Shouts out to Pablo, matter of fact, with the Rhythm and Blues Cruise. Yeah. Rhythm and Blues Cruise. They got that coming up. Ooh. Oh, and CDF got the Cancun trip coming up too.
Well, I don't know what that is.
Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, that's a thing?
Yeah, man.
I thought they were just...
That's actually going on my birthday this year, too.
Boy, you know, said, me not got no blood clot Mexico. You come like, you know, see when the president are going with... The Mexican president said, if you come over the... Ras, go on.
What at a resort.
Go.
Right.
Go.
She said, we can't come, we not welcome, and he not welcome.
No, him say, Americans, they either go get taxed more or some shit. They gonna make y'all spend y'all shit. So if we not go vacation in Mexico, if president keep put up him tariffs, we're not gonna get taxes.
But she not throwing a threat. What she's doing is telling you, if he do this,
I'm gonna do this.
Not I'm gonna do this. Your people are going to do this. Because what it says is, if you want to buy this iPhone, I'm just telling y'all, you gotta bring that shit into America.
It's not an iPhone, guys.
I said it on purpose.
That's cool. Just want to make sure the people know it's not an iPhone.
Yes, definitely not. It's Android. But if you want to bring your iPhone over into this country, right? Then it's gonna cost you. Right now, it might cost you $12.
Oh, I thought that was the joke. My fault. I thought that was the punchline. My fault. I'm sorry.
I missed it too.
Go on your iPhone is too.
Yeah. But now it's gonna cost you $50. And guess who's gonna have to pay for it? Not us. You are.
You who?
You when you buy it.
You.
But yo, it's crazy, but I don't know, man.
So that's all she's doing. She's just telling you the truth.
Yo, leave the money.
No, my fault. That was it. I'm done. Shouts out to people with the Androids, yo. I ain't gonna guess y'all, man.
Yeah, Bucky and Nine and all of them. Box. I don't know if I could give y'all this. Yeah, all the Android people.
Droid.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, Apple is for the people.
Yeah, now y'all can finally customize,
Yeah, but like I said, the whole podcast aspect on everything. But y'all need to start figuring out how to party without ending up with y'all running home or running out the event.
Yo,
we'll just go party in Jamaica. Let's just go to Jamaica. We need to plan a Livevybz.
Yo, you know, you know the difference? You know the difference though? Because in Jamaica, when them niggas is busting off shots and licking off shots, yo.
It's in the air.
Exactly. And nobody running.
It's because the party is too lit.
Right. That's what the party lit, yo. Like, that's a lit party right there, yo.
That's what gunshots at party means in Jamaica. So you don't have to worry. But yeah, we could December is like, that's what we're trying to make the trip.
I'm definitely
you should be fully about 95% good. Just don't
be out there hopping.
Yeah, just don't.
Be out there hopping.
How about? Well, this would be a Live Vibe exclusive. That'd be my first time hopping. I'll sit my ass down until we go on our trip.
Bro, you about to hurt yourself again.
Yeah, because I'll take that bet because I want you to be fully recovered.
I will. That'd be a whole year.
Because you got shit to do. And don't be going no more than referee matches and shit.
Oh, no, I'm refereeing once the season starts. That's the goal.
He'll be up and down that court, bro.
Goal next year. I'm like an athlete, like KD, you know what I mean? When he tore his, he wanted to get back on the court.
What do you call it, roller skate?
I got hurt at the beginning of the season.
Oh,
Put rollerblade on one leg so when you're happy, you could just drag the bitch. Like that shit. You ain't gotta be doing nothing extra with that shit. But yeah, Jamaica, December, that's the way I pray. And then that's it. So people, no, not even that. Before we do that, we forgot to touch base on Vybz Kartel.
Oh yeah, man. That's a real announcement, huh?
Yeah.
That's a real announcement,
America.
Yo. Barclays, yo.
Yeah. You know, it's funny you sent me that this morning. I was like, what the fuck is the Barclays Center? I asked Wes. Wes was like, it's some building in England. I was like, oh, so why the fuck everybody over here?
Wes said that?
Yeah.
Yo, nah, text Wes right now and tell him that he should be ashamed of himself, yo.
Hey, yo, Wes! He probably did, but yeah, he told me so. I was like, oh, okay. So I'm like, why are you making a big deal? So now we're gonna go to England too. Well, I'm like, he just was there, but anyway.
Yo, that's insane, yo.
Yeah. So what the event at the Barclays is the reggae fest?
Barclay.
Barclay who?
Barclay.
They have done a reggae festival as well.
Give me what that is. What's the big significance to that place?
It's where the Nets play, the Brooklyn Nets play. It's just a big stadium in New York City.
Where Jay used to hustle.
So Madison Square Garden was the biggest place out there. Yes. Barclays is bigger than Madison Square Garden.
Oh, he's talking about square foot wise.
Yes, Barclays is bigger than Madison. It holds more than Madison Square, don't it?
No, holds more? Now that's different. That's different.
It don't?
Hey, Siri.
Let's look. Yeah.
What's Barclays' capacity?
I don't know. Barclays holds more than Madison. I know that.
The Barclays Center has a seating capacity of 17,730.
All right, what's MG? What's Madison?
15,700.
Thank you.
What is it, Madison 19?
Barclays is max 19.
And what's Madison's?
No, that says 17.
Now Madison Square hold more than
That says 17 for
And Madison's 1950.
Oh yeah, so it ain't that
bigger.
different, yo.
It's big. It's 2,000 more. That's yeah.
Bro, when you at that number, that 2,000 ain't that big of a difference.
All right, you go play
difference.
around and see the difference between Toots.
It's a big difference.
All right.
Ticket sales? That's a
And then tickets, come on, man.
Shit, but
yeah, true.
All right,
True.
so Barclays
Pay $100.
Well, basically, so it's not like an outside event; it's an inside concert.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, lit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man. That would be an event, but I can't.
Who do you think will show up to that show? Anybody with a visa?
Everybody.
Anybody that got a visa?
Yeah, Bone Tequila. I think he got his back. No.
Does he?
I'm not sure. I thought.
You don't think Beanie gonna be there?
Why?
I can see him doing it.
Is he there every year?
Oh no, he ain't gonna be there. Fuck out of here.
He'll shock the world.
You never know, cause they like the controversy, and then we do that to bring more people.
That's true. That'd be a
Money
crazy
talk.
show. That'd be a crazy.
The
You
people
think
go just
Movado
for
gonna
that.
be there? Movado gotta be there.
Got it, why?
He don't gotta be there, but you know that show would be crazy.
But are the promoters thinking that? Because most of the time, they just
And do the promoters got the money for that? Because they already dropped a mill for Cartel. It's a mill for him.
give thanks for life.
They drop a mill for him that they know they're gonna make that back. You know you're gonna make that mill back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But
you making that back.
I would gamble and drag somebody else so I can up that.
But how much is Movado charging? For Movado and Cartel?
Not a mill.
Bro, for him with Cartel, he can say that.
It's not like
He can ask for it.
No, you can't ask for that.
Yes, he can.
Bro, yeah.
Why the fuck he can't?
I can't take that two different.
They are. You're right. You are. I'm not arguing that at all. But if he know that you got the money to spend a mill for him, and he know that the money that he gonna bring with him,
value the same musically. They're not valued the same
No,
musically.
but that clash between the two of them on stage.
Matter. Me a pay upon your catalog and what your value and what me can say.
But
no.
the clash between the two of them on stage,
if you're
you would pay so much more
if you pay them to travel together and them travel together, so them do the clash. Fine,
Jay.
everybody break it even. But
Jay,
if you have book Cartel and then you have book Movada separate, you cannot act Movada cannot actually see impress as Cartel. Because him not do this, you know, do your work with Cartel do. And have the imprinter Cartel.
if you pay for a ticket for Cartel, it's one price. If you pay for a ticket with Cartel and Movado, you don't think it's supposed to be more? I'm asking you as the consumer. Once they add Movado to the show, you don't think that ticket should be more?
No.
Right.
It would be different.
All right.
What? It would be different the other way around.
Yes. I you know what's so crazy? I do agree with that. I very much agree with that. Yes.
So different way.
I do agree with that.
But you can't put
But I
the
can't say
biggest
that
artist. Like if you put the biggest artist out now that's popping, and then you put somebody that's not currently out, but he still got music.
But their clash is going to sell so many more tickets, yo.
Very true, but that's if you were booking them together for that specific thing. Then you can say, if our clash, we have to get the same thing. Then you can make that statement. But if you're going to just throw Movada on his last minute, hoping that's going to happen, no, you have to just get where your feet is.
Oh, nah, ain't nobody going to get no more money for that. Last minute shit? Hell nah.
Yeah, but
hell nah. You already get the tickets already on sale. Hell nah.
Yeah, but that's...
Tickets going to be on resale immediately. Immediately, them tickets going to go to resale.
Yeah, and them never drop...
People going to buy them tickets the fuck out and resell them crazy.
Jaja. But me I go, like me say, me want to go watch Cartel out in the white countryside. Then me can't go in the city. And then, based on that, I know they're going to block off certain areas in half of the city probably. And then have to go Uber in and train. All that
the
shit.
city going to be locked off out there. Yo, the city going to be
one ways. They going
off.
Me I tell you, the whole of DC come up, plus you have Jersey.
Bro, I thought he was going to wait till Labor Day.
Nah, he probably gonna be in the parade, yeah, but no. We can't go. I would love to go.
Because that's even before his Barbados show, ain't it?
Yeah.
The Barbados show until like May, I think.
When we doing Carnival?
Me don't know about Carnival now, because me not going on no street, no son go jump up. Me a old man now. Carnival phase is not my past already. It's not interesting to me anymore. Honestly. Relax there, Grandpa. There's levels to this.
That nigga been a father for a whole half a year, yo. Yeah, man, he done cut his hair. He lost
Every
his
day
hair.
is a new day.
Yo.
Give thanks
it's
for
crazy.
life.
It's crazy. He done lost his hair. He don't want to go to Carnival no more.
Correction.
This nigga done been a father for a half a year.
Be careful. I didn't lose my hair. I cut my hair.
Oh yeah, you know where it's at right now. My fault.
What you think you okay? You think you're funny, eh? I mean, I tell you, I got a haircut, people. My hair was fine. I just want to grow it over instead of just a mohawk. But anyway, moving.
You trying to grow your hair with your daughter? I respect that, yo.
Yeah, moving forward. So
good one.
I can't do it, you know. So I said, people here, Cartel are there in next month in April.
April, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's wild, yo. To announce that a month out is crazy, yo.
A lot of people calling in to work and shit already, but
what immediately?
Me that miss the one day I go miss me. If me I go one of them concerts, then me have to do VIP. I can't do general admission in
I'm about to say if I can make if the prices ain't too crazy, yo, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm like,
what's too crazy?
It's probably $2,000 for a ticket.
Nah, 2,000 is out of this world.
For VIP?
I'm talking about for me. I'm not doing VIP, yo. I do general admission. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
I can't.
I do general admission, yo.
General admission probably $500.
Nah.
At Barclay?
Nah,
probably like I would say 80.
Yeah, I say I'm about to say 80 to 100 at most. Yeah,
I'll put some
resale. Yes, resale. Yes.
I'm talking about direct on their website.
Resale? Nah, hell nah.
300 the lowest. Absolutely.
For general admission, depending on where you're sitting at. Nosebleeds, bro.
We buy the bet. We buy the
bro,
bet.
Beyonce tickets is for nosebleed is $300 for Beyonce.
Exactly.
And Taylor Swift.
Exactly.
What's nosebleed?
Exactly.
That's right.
It's gonna be $300.
In the whip in the back.
All the way top. like the ceiling right there.
But those are Beyonce and Taylor Swift.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. Like cartel prices for nosebleed ain't gonna be the same as them.
Okay, so it's $300.
Alright, for nosebleed, for cartel, $80.
That's what I agree. No more than 100.
Because he might go pocky. So here me say, me a gamble say the general admission not breaking $100.
Resale, yes. Resale, I feel like if once people buy up all the tickets and they selling their tickets, they gonna
tickets on sale yet?
No, Kenny be probably gonna know before anybody.
Oh, y'all talking about as soon as they drop? Yeah, going $300.
Nah.
All right, so that's
this
for
is first show in America, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, $300.
First show in yes.
For general admission, I say $80 to $100.
Now we are talking nosebleeds, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be general admission, correct?
Yeah.
All right then.
I mean, general admission is everything except for VIP. Honestly, yo, if you want to go further down, it's gonna get up to like 200. Maybe.
All right, for the floor.
Floor, 5 or better.
Yeah, I would pay that.
5 or better, yeah.
I would pay that. I would be on the
makes
floor.
Floor, probably.
It's gonna be concert prices, yo. It's gonna be Kendrick Lamar, fucking them type of prices, yo. It ain't gonna be nothing. It's not gonna be nothing higher than what Beyonce and Taylor Swift is getting. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. We in America, and it's as much as Cartel has the amazing influence, yo. He's not Beyonce or Taylor Swift in America.
Not saying that he cannot.
No, we're not saying that at all. But like you said, he wants to pack this shit out.
Yeah, so he's gonna get it reasonable.
Pack this shit out. Yes,
so,
so
hit
it's
the
not.
records.
He not gonna do nothing crazy. He's not gonna jump out the window for the first show.
Yeah, he gonna want to pack.
He know he can pack this bitch out.
He doing it strategically. He gonna want the seats to be filled rather than.
It don't make sense to go out to jump out the window immediately. He can later on.
Okay.
All right.
He start doing that tour with Movado. He can charge whatever that.
Well, I don't know. But anyway, that's a really cool for that visit. So
yeah, we'll let you know. We'll keep you posted.
We'll put up that 10 on it or 20.
20.
What'd you say? 20? Oh, we doing it double then. All right.
20 on it.
Hey, son, I just
so
got
me I say $100 for the general admission.
$100 general admission?
Yeah.
I say 80 to 100. 80 to 100.
So we in the same ballpark?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 250, 300.
Damn. All right. Well, people?
It's America. It's Trump's America.
This is America.
This is America.
Terrorists high right now.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna be like,
no, the fuck I will not. Wifey that.
and then all the rich people with their gold cards gonna go to the show.
Me not do that blood clot.
Swear to God, he made me want to fight just then.
Yeah.
Yo.
If you just saw what you just did, you'd have fucked
that was wild, bro. That was wild. We got the playback.
Throw that bold-faced lie. I was like, no, I'm never going to do that.
Yeah, not me.
No, not me.
Shut that one out, buddy.
You're wild. Well, people, this is Vibes Friday. This is your boy, Gallus J.
Not the sour.
I don't know what the fuck they talking about, so I'm gonna
We got you.
Well, anyway, DJ 9 Vibes on the ones and trees. Everybody in the chat, thanks for tuning in. Again, see us here again next week at 9 p.m. until whenever we decide we don't chat our thing. And we're going to start in the month with, what we have first week again? Current?
Yeah, current events.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure we're going to start it. I'm pretty sure the tickets going to be dropped by then.
Yeah, we'll know more about that. They definitely going to be out by then.
Yeah, there, and we'll go review, and hopefully President Trump no call no more other world president and bully them, because
calling everybody
right now if him call out anybody else like that, me just like a book a flight and go and go sit down under one tree and leaving up here for deal with no business, because I ain't in it and I ain't been it. So again, people,
my name Paul, that's between y'all.
So again, catch us here next week again. But before you catch us here next week, make sure you tune in this Sunday at 2 p.m. That's me and the Baddies. Every Sunday we're there at 2 p.m. until. So, and this is our last Sunday. Yeah, and this is our Unwind with Wine. So we're going to be sipping and chilling and talking. And
Wine with Wine is wild.
Yeah, we're probably going to bring some friends.
You really an old nigga, son.
What?
You really an old nigga, son. You about to unwind with wine on Sunday, son?
It's something for the ladies.
Nah, I ain't mad at you, son. I just see what you doing, son.
But me not drink wine. I carrot punch me a drink.
Yeah, all right.
You know that I want me drink every Sunday.
Yo, listen, I ain't judging you, bro.
But baby, I would say if you like the vibe, subscribe. Over there live, brawling. DJ, squeeze.
What kind of wine you drink, son?
That probably Moscato if I had to choose. No man, keep it up.
Wine up, son. Wine and dining over here, yo.
Let me see if we find
Never fucking a Benz. Make your mini children. We set up on the tire at the ends. Spin your license. Till your pussy wetter than the river. Well, till match, till death. 2 room man, tell them that you're dead. Get the oats, get the supplicant. Get the nuts, get the nothing made. Blame it up, turn it on your head. Get a gal and just go get your children. Get a gal and just go get your children. Get a gal and just go get your children. Get a gal and just go get your children. Get a gal and just go get your children. Men up in a city, me no know. Something when me never see in a no show. Body video hit a send it up a flow. 20 mil a feed a back as they alone. Open up, deep, short. Pussy teleport. Shelly tell Terry says she won't when we have a tree. We are baby, you're nice and clean. Baby, you're nice and clean. Baby, you're nice and clean. You girl, make money every day. Bubble for me, boo. Money, ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Let me love you till your mind, girl. I feel that tonight, let me love you till your mind, girl.
You are now in the mix with Livevybz.
Jackie girl, come on my chat. Me a give you the steel, so you better buy black. Current in a wall, all that a gun shock. Then we connect, satellite drop, volcano no erupt. What a sight that, bubble like champagne, buckle down top. Yeah, me under a vibes, 45 cock. Make money every day, bubble feel it boo. Money, ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Yeah, me love it and you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Yeah, me love it and you wine me, girl. Lay down pan clean sheet. Now if you say thanks, make me see it, please. Yeah, your bumper so big you want 3 G's. And your teeth no yellow like cheesies. Put your hand on your knee, please. Rotate waistline to the degrees. Yeah, you're hot, you're no cold, you're no deep freeze. Tell a boy say you're not do no freebies. You girl, make money every day. Bubble for me boo. Money, ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Let me love it and you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Let me love it and you wine me, girl.
Yeah, man, I saw me operate. Doesn't get a day, you want none other way. Put a heavy than my chain, slimmer than my vein. Me a fuck it and no care. From a pussy, full of rubber than a spear. Strap up and blaze, girl, pack up and cheer. He said, me no chat, girl, you hear. All when you see me tell her you see there.
Smooth operator, sharp like a razor.
Smooth.
Up in your girl area, sooner or later. Smooth operator, sharp like a razor.
Smooth. So we operate. Wasn't me.
We stay clean for the girl them throat. We no use G's nor access code. When it be my touch grand spend road. Every girl want catch a pic on them phone. We no bend like convex slope. Kim says she love how my pants them close. Me love when under girl expose. One government could chat pan a next road. Me thugs give me 2 girl, 1 for me the net of his skilly. You want so we do it easy, not take a minute. Give her me iPhone, let me get your digits. Me say give me the pussy and she never resist. You will say I like her, you never did it. Make sure say your wife don't depend on the list. You taffy ban forever we live. Girl is good and no metaphysics.
Yeah, man, I saw me operate. Doesn't get a day, you want none other way. Put a heavy than my chain, slimmer than my vein. Me a fuck it and no care. From a pussy, full of rubber than a spear. Strap up and blaze, girl, cock up and cheer. He said, me no chat, girl, you hear.
What you know about pull up in a rental Benz on a private beach? Yeah, me dad them a Philip, so you know the clan I go feed. That me never had a life like this. 500
necklace. And what you know about Big T? Pull up in a black Jeep, up in the back seat. Dog, if I no money, then cancel your call. I no sport, but me and my team I go ball. Me a band star, last name a LeBron. Me a big impact on SK dancer. No man gone viral. Every girl and my girl, them a show by own. Dog, no man gone viral. People up here well want see me flop down. No man gone viral. Every girl and my girl, them a show by one. No man gone viral. People up here well want see me flop down. Them say me change, but me still the same man. I got on Louis Vuitton, that's a name brand. And what you know about what you sell? You used to rock hard with the Alcatel. Every day fresh clothes, I feel harder. First time me and we a Balenciaga. Hustle every day upon the calendar. We at that January straight to December. No man gone viral. Every girl and my girl, them a shout by own. No man gone viral. People up here well want see me flop down. No man gone viral. Every girl and my girl, them a shout by one. No man gone viral. People up here well want see me flop down. Businessman, me and entrepreneur. So much a girl in my life, me feel like a porn star. I mean, no one a girl marry me. Right now, me feel melancholy. Dog, stay fresher than a river in America. Make money like we take it from a cash register. Got too much a message in me messenger. One time me happy with stop me cellular. Dog, no man gone viral. Every girl and my girl, them a shout by own. Dog, no man gone viral. People up here well want see me flop down. No man gone viral. Every girl and my girl, them a shout by one. No man gone viral. People up here well want see that. Look at how me end up. Mama used to tell me say she fed up. Now me full of sauce like ketchup. Me whole life develop. And me leave a bag of girl wet up. When